Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to talk in detail about one of the most important subjects in life, money. Money is not just a piece of paper or a number in your bank account. It represents freedom, security, opportunity, and choices. Without money, life can feel stressful and limited. With money, you can take care of your family, improve your lifestyle, travel, learn new things, and live with peace of mind. But many people do not know how to make money, how to manage it, or how to grow it. That is why in today's session, we will go deep into understanding how anyone can learn to make money step by step. Money is not only about working harder. Many people work very hard every day but still struggle financially. They give their time and energy but do not see enough reward. This happens because they are only trading time for money. The truth is, making money is about working smarter. It is about creating value, solving problems, and using knowledge in the right way. When you understand how money really works, you will stop thinking of it as something difficult or impossible. Instead, you will see that it follows simple principles that anyone can apply. The first principle of making money is mindset. Your mindset is the way you think about money. If you believe money is bad, or that rich people are always dishonest, then you will unconsciously avoid opportunities to grow. But if you believe money is a tool, something neutral that can be used for good, then you will attract it more easily. A strong money mindset means you believe you are capable of earning more and that your efforts will bring results. It also means you stop making excuses like, "I am unlucky," or "I was not born rich." Instead, you say, "I am willing to learn, I am willing to grow, and I can change my financial future." Many successful people in the world started with nothing. Their only strength was the belief that they could improve. This mindset pushed them to act, to learn, and to never give up. Once you build the right mindset, the next step is developing skills. Skills are the true source of income. Money always follows value, and value is created through skills. Think about doctors, engineers, teachers, designers, writers, and business people. They all use their skills to solve problems, and in return, they are paid. If you want to make more money, ask yourself, what skills do I have, and what skills should I learn? In today's world, some of the most valuable skills include communication, computer programming, digital marketing, public speaking, designing, and leadership. But even beyond technical skills, simple abilities like problem solving, creativity, and discipline are highly rewarded. The more you learn, the more opportunities you will see. And the beautiful thing is that skills can always be learned. With free resources, online courses, and books, anyone can improve and open new doors to income. However, making money is not only about earning. It is also about managing money wisely. Many people make good money but end up broke because they do not manage it properly. They spend on unnecessary things to impress others. They buy expensive gadgets, eat out every day, or upgrade their lifestyle too quickly. At the end of the month, nothing is left. To truly build wealth, you must learn how to control your expenses. A simple habit is to save first and spend later. Whenever you earn money, Keep a portion aside for savings before you start. Spending. Even if it is just 10%, over time it grows into a big amount. Along with saving, keeping a budget is very important. Write down where your money goes each month. This simple awareness will help you cut down wasteful expenses and use your income more effectively. After saving comes the power of investing. Saving alone will not make you rich, because the value of money decreases over time due to inflation. If you keep all your money in a savings account, it grows very slowly. But when you invest, your money starts working for you. Investing means putting your money into assets that grow in value, such as businesses, stocks, real estate, or even your own education. Think of money as seeds. If you eat all the seeds, nothing will grow. But if you plant them in the soil, they will turn into trees and give you more fruit. That is what investing does. Smart investing allows you to build wealth step by step. It requires patience, research, and discipline, but the results are powerful. Another key idea in making money is to build multiple sources of income. Relying on one job or one paycheck is risky. If that source stops, you are left with nothing. Successful people always create more than one income stream. This could be through freelancing, side businesses, rental income, investments, or digital products. In today's world, technology makes this easier than ever. You can work online, sell your skills globally, or create content that earns you money. The more sources you have, the more financial security and freedom you will enjoy. Along with these principles, discipline and consistency are extremely important. Many people get excited about making money but give up too soon. They expect quick results and become disappointed when success takes time. But wealth is not built overnight. It grows through consistent actions taken every single day. Reading, learning, saving, investing, practicing skills, and making small improvements may not look dramatic in the short term, but over years they create extraordinary results. This is why patience and persistence are essential on the journey of financial success. Making money also requires a shift from being only a consumer to becoming a creator. Most people only consume. They buy products, they use services, they spend. But the people who make money are the ones who create. They design products, they provide services, they solve problems. If you want to earn more, ask yourself, what can I create that others will find valuable? It could be as simple as creating educational content, starting a small online store, writing a book, or offering consulting in your area of expertise. Every great business in the world started with someone deciding to create instead of only consume. In addition to creation, networking and relationships play a huge role in financial success. Opportunities often come from people you know. Building connections, maintaining trust, and helping others can lead to unexpected chances to grow your income. A strong network can introduce you to partners, clients, or mentors who can guide you toward success. That is why communication and relationship building should also be seen as part of the process of making money. Finally, it is important to remember that making money should go hand in hand with purpose. If you make money only for the sake of money, you may feel empty. But if you connect your financial goals to a bigger purpose, such as supporting your family, helping your community, or achieving personal freedom, you will feel more motivated and satisfied. Money should not control you. Instead, it should support the life you want to live. To summarize, making money is not a mystery. It is a science and an art that can be learned. It begins with the right mindset, continues with building valuable skills, grows through saving and investing, expands with multiple income sources, and succeeds with discipline, patience, and creativity. Anyone, regardless of their background, can improve their financial life by following these principles. Thank you for listening to this session of English Speaking and Listening Club. I hope today's topic on how to make money has given you not only English practice, but also valuable lessons for your life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons on English listening and self-improvement. See you in the next video.